This beautiful green plant grows in my yard. It is beautiful, but it takes over. I was hoping you could tell me what type of plant it is. I thought I dug it up by the root last year. It fooled me. This is Shirley. Let's help Shirley out.
Yeah, with Dogfennel.
Dogfennel.
Yes, it's a common name. It's a eupatorium.
Okay.
So, you know, eupatoriums, there's a lot of weeds that are in that family here, and then, or that genus, and then there's a lot of other perennials that are in that category. So that's why it does so well here.
Right, and it actually looks pretty, doesn't it?
Well, yeah, the blooms on
Right.
it are very, very small and insignificant, and so really it's just the foliage you're going to mostly see.
Right.
And you don't want to reseed and populate the whole area, so, you know.
Yeah, so Dogfennel, eupatorium, perennial, depending on where it's sited, can get 3 to 5 feet tall.
Yes.
As you can see from that picture, must have liked where it was. If you crush up the leaves, I actually know this, you crush them up, it has like a sour,
It's not a good smell.
smell to it.
No, it's not real pleasant.
And as it ages, of course, it goes from a fresh, tender stem to a rough and tough, woody stem. So, yeah, Dogfennel.
Dogfennel.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.